looking into the next question, which of the following come under the purview of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016? First statement, corporate insolvency resolution. Second statement, the scheduled commercial banks resolution. Third is the individual bankruptcy, and fourth is the insurance corporation insolvency resolution. So we have this news about the insolvency as well as bankruptcy code frequently. So in that itself, when you go through it, you come across two institutions, that is National Company Law Tribunal as well as the Debt Recovery Tribunal. So in that itself, it tells that while the corporate insolvency looked into by the National Company Law Tribunal, the individual bankruptcy is looked into by the Debt Recovery Tribunal. So now consider the statements. Corporate insolvency resolution, yes, it is covered under the Insolvency as well as Bankruptcy Code. So the first statement is there. So you can eliminate the B option. Second is the scheduled commercial banks insolvency resolution. Not so sure about it. Let it stay there. Third is the individual bankruptcy. So that is there. So 1 and 3 option is there. Fourth is insurance corporation insolvency resolution, which you are not so sure about it. So suppose you look into the option with 1 and 3, it is mainly the C option. So the answer is C. So what is exactly, so who looks into the insolvency of the scheduled commercial banks as well as insurance corporation? That is mainly dealt in the FRDI bill, that is Financial Resolution as well as Deposit Insurance Bill of 2017. So if you compare the Insolvency as well as Bankruptcy Code of 2016 with the Financial Resolution as well as Deposit Insurance Bill of 2017, you can say that the IBC, the Insolvency as well as Bankruptcy Code, mainly looks into the reorganization as well as the insolvency resolution with respect to the corporate persons, the partnership firms as well as individuals. Now the insolvency for the financial sector is mainly dealt in the FRDI bill. So it's mainly dealing with the banks, the insurance companies, the pension fund, the mutual funds, etc. will be dealt in this by the FRDI bill. Now, similarly, under the Insolvency as well as Bankruptcy Code, we have a regulator, that is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, and under the FRDI bill, we have the Financial Resolution Corporation coming in. So this is the main difference between the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code as well as the FRDI bill. So more details regarding the FRDI bill will be taken in the current affairs economic class.